everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this vlog is just going to be a mini weekend vlog. Tonight I'm meeting up with a longtime friend. Her name is Cinta, and we were originally supposed to go for happy hour, but she wasn't able to make it for happy hour, so we're making it into a dinner, which is just fine. And it's called Torbert Social, I believe. It's in Wilmington. Neither of us have been there. So we'll see. The vibe looks cool on the internet. There's a lot of like nice and fancy drinks, and the food and the menu selections all look really good as well. So we will see. Face is beat by me. I'm not a makeup artist, but I am self-taught by way of YouTube and watching many of the gorgeous and professional and lovely ladies that are all over YouTube and social media. Years and years of practice, but completely self-taught. So what do you guys think? It's like a natural glam look. Natural glam, like the colors aren't too crazy. Yeah. So I have blue, it's like a jumper, blue like shorts jumper, and blue shoes. So yeah. So that's what I'm doing this evening. It's Friday, Friday evening. Yay, TGIF. Tomorrow I am planning, if I don't make it to the beach tomorrow, I'm definitely gonna go Sunday. Tomorrow I also need to get my car washed. And yeah, I don't know which beach I'm gonna go to yet. So since I'm in Delaware, I'm literally, and where I'm at in Delaware, it's like the middle point for like the main beaches. So I don't know if I'm gonna go to Rehoboth or Atlantic City, New Jersey. So, but yeah, that's the plan. There's Mr. Tigger. That's one of my two cats. Tiggy, say hi. Say hi to the vlog. So yeah, guys, I'll catch you at the restaurant. Bye. This is Cinta, y'all. She's one of my dearest and oldest friends. I absolutely love her energy, and it's going to be a good time and good night spending with each other and catching up. So we're here.
Hiking trip, and while we were hiking, like everything my girlfriend did, I felt like it was like a sabotage of.
See, and it's so good whenever you have people with you because you don't feel as awkward.
Girl, you better do your thing. People be alright.
Got some, what is this, feta cheese fries, lobster deviled eggs, and beef sliders.
What is it?
Of course, and the pizza looks so good. It's spicy pepperoni with what they say, onions, right? Spicy pepperoni and onions.
Yep. It looks amazing.
Cinta got me a little gift because she's the best and she's so thoughtful. So I'm gonna see what it is. If I know her, it's gonna be jewelry. Hold on. She has style, y'all. Oh, that's so cute. No matter where we go, no matter what we do, you'll always be there for me, and I'll always be there for you. I love you. Hey, I love you too. I love you. Thank you. Look at it, y'all. It's so cute. And it has an A, and then it has like the little pinky swear and a heart. I just, thank you. Thank you. got some good friends, y'all.
We love you, Ash. Love our Ashley. She's amazing. Awesome.
I'm gonna be a
Good morning, guys. I am up. It is Saturday. I didn't go to bed last night until 3. Last night was absolutely amazing. It was so good catching up with my girlfriend. The vibes were immaculate. The place that we went to, Torbert Social, Staff was great. They were understaffed but still overperformed. I mean, the food was good. The pizza that I got was a little salty, like too much salt, but other than that, everything was so good. We even ran into a previous coworker last night, so that was, you know, fun catching up. Haven't seen him in, oh my goodness, almost 3 years actually. So yeah, it was good. So I'm up. I am a little tired, so please excuse my voice, and I'm not put together, hence the big shades. But yeah, I'm gonna go get my car washed. I'm gonna stop at Wawa real quick to get some coffee and something light to eat, and then head on to the car wash to get it obviously washed and then detailed. So she needs it. So anyway guys, I'll catch you later. Bye. If you've made it this far in the vlog as well, sorry, I'm coming back to you. If you've made it this far in the vlog as well, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, comment, share, do what you need to do. If you resonated with this video at all, if you like what you see, I'm vibing, we vibing, okay? Thanks. Good morning, everyone. Today is Sunday, May 22nd. I didn't really do much yesterday. I was exhausted. So once I came back from detailing the car, I just rested, caught up on shows, binge watched, the whole nine. Today I'm going to a beach. It's called Bowers Beach in Delaware. I've never been, so first time scoping it out. We have bigger beaches like Rehoboth, but I don't feel like taking that drive, so Bowers is closer to me. And yeah, today's gonna be a good day. I love the beach. One thing about me, the ocean brings me such serenity. It resets my whole mood, my aura, all that. So I'm just looking forward to relaxing and enjoying this Sunday. It's supposed to be 90 degrees again today, so yeah, it's gonna be a good day for a swim. All right, catch you guys.
It was a trip, to say the least. So I really felt like it was more of a road trip. Like I just drove all day, I felt like. So I first went to Bowers Beach, like I said I was going to, and it was just not the vibe. There were horseshoe crabs, like dead horseshoe crabs, all over the beach. The beach was not very well maintained. I literally was the only person there for a while. Well, actually not even for a while, because I really didn't even stay there that long. Here, let me put you guys down for a second. Sorry about that, hold on. Okay, so I didn't even really stay there that long. It was like 5 minutes maybe. Definitely not something to swim in, because if there's horseshoe crabs littered all over the beach, it's not well maintained, and that means that they're like right in the water. And also I was getting bit by flies, so it's definitely more of like a fishing spot. So if you're really big into fishing, like that is more of, I think, the vibe for you. So I ended up taking an additional 45-minute drive to Rehoboth Beach, which I knew about, but I've never been since moving to Delaware. And that was definitely much better. But the water was freezing, and you would think it wouldn't be because of how hot it was. Like I think it got into like the early 90s today. So I just thought the water was going to be much more refreshing, but it wasn't. So, but it was okay. Like it was definitely more of like a beach, right? So stayed there for about almost 2 hours, went to a local spot to get something to eat, and then took my merry ass back onto the highway to drive back home. So I'm home now. Just gonna get cleaned up and do some things around the house, and yeah, just relax before work tomorrow. This week I will be packing for a trip to Tennessee. So I'm going with my brother to Tennessee, specifically like Pigeon Forge, Gatlinburg area. So going to be there from the 27th to the 31st. So just a quick like Memorial Day weekend getaway. So yeah. Oh, and I did want to tell you guys, so one thing that happened that was excellent today, my nephew Liam walked for the first time today. So he was a little upset because it was a little overwhelming, and I think he wasn't used to people not like catching him. So he was like, what is going on? But my sister sent me a video. I'll pop it in so you guys can see him take his first steps. But
I got it.
But yeah, very proud auntie for him and for my sister and our family. So it's just a big milestone, as you guys all know. But yeah, so this was the day, and hope you guys enjoyed. If you like what you saw, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, all that good stuff. Really appreciate your support, and I will catch you in my next vlog. Bye.